Want to charge more batteries at once but just have one charger? Want to have a charger that is easy to operate and fully functional? This EV Peak Intelligent Balanced Fast Charger UD1 is designed for the agricultural drone to solve the above problems. Large screen display for better clarity. With only one charger, up to 4 batteries can be charged. The charger has multiple functions, including phone wireless charging, remote Bluetooth control, voice announcement, and the dust plug, etc. Equipped with the wireless charging function, put down the phone and charging at the same time. No need to look for a charging cable everywhere. With dust plugs to protect quad inputs, protect your battery safety, extend the life of your device, get a better experience. After inserting the battery, the charger automatically identifies the battery information and announces the relevant information by voice. Timely understanding of battery status. No tedious setup. After recognizing the battery information, you only need to press the charging button to enter the charging mode. This charger supports 3 charging modes: slow, standard, fast charging. You could change different types of charging modes as you like. The UD1 can even support charging 4 batteries at once. Just need to insert the battery and there is no need to wait for the charging process or exchange batteries from time to time. The charger can intelligently identify battery information, including battery type, internal voltage, charging current, and the remaining battery current displayed in an intuitive circular chart for greater clarity and visualization. The charger supports Bluetooth remote charging function. You can operate the charging process on the phone, safer and more convenient.